Well, this one's gonna need a little repair before we can get her going. So we'll have to use this one to get the hay down for now. The arm came a little loose, so I was gonna snug the bolts up a little bit, and they sheared right off. So I bought some new ones. Naturally, they don't make this anymore. Well, they might make it. They don't have it where I shop. So I had to get the round ones and customize. Oh, we're getting close now. Well, that did it. All lubed up. Getting ready. Out with the old, in with the new.